Okay.
Guys, are you ready to do this video again? Okay. So, you know what I'm going to be doing with the lips. I'll peel this off just now. Okay, so I'm going to be taking the darkest color here. Or actually the lightest color.
Why are you always doing that?
Because I'm trying to get subscribers here. Yes, what I was saying was, people just goes all. I don't get it. People just subscribe to rich people. That's what I'm actually been noticing. Like, people don't know how it feels to not have a lot of subscribers. But if they see this video where a boy does a front flip, then they're like, oh, this is cool, let's subscribe. Or let's like this video. But when us creators make like a video and we put so much effort in it, it gets too long. And that's not what I'm understanding. So you know what? I don't even want to make videos anymore. Okay, to be honest, I'm not happy anymore with it. At first it was fun. Since I started noticing how you get subscribers so quick, I wanted like subscribers. I've been praying, I've been begging, and nothing came. So I don't know why I don't just get subscribers. I could literally cry now, but I'm not like that. And thank you for the people that did subscribe to me. I'm very grateful for it. Like literally, thank you for the people that subscribe to me. But the people that just scroll through videos and they see my video and they just go past it, I don't even know why you're watching my videos anyways. So yeah. So but anyways, I must make fast because I want to go lay in bed because it's cold here. And I looked happy in the other video, but now it's just